Welcome back, guys. I'm going to be making this pasta spaghetti which is filled with vegetables, but my kids will not even notice. Just join me. Okay, guys, this recipe is specially made for kids. I have some boiling water and I am breaking my spaghetti. For me, I can't stand broken spaghetti, but for the kids, I just break it because I can't afford to be breaking it when it's all done. There's no point. So I break it from inception because they don't like twirling their own forks with the spaghetti. They don't even have that time. So I break it so that it's easy for them. The next thing we're going to be doing is our sauce. I have some cooking oil here. I'm going to be adding some onions and I'm going to allow these onions to fry for 2 minutes. Of course, you want to make it a bit softer so that it's not so crunchy, especially for those that don't like onions. The key thing is to put all these things in their food without them noticing. Usually, I like doing my vegetables last, but for the kids, well, I kind of do it earlier on so that they don't notice and it doesn't feel so crunchy for them. I'm grating him some ginger as well. My son will tell me that he doesn't like ginger, but little does he know that his food has ginger almost every time. So I'm just adding my bell peppers at this point too. Like I said, usually for me, I'll add my vegetables almost as the last, but for them, it's like the reverse. I added some salt and I'm adding my pepper, my fresh pepper. This pepper has cooked and it has reduced to a point so that it doesn't have to cook for a long time, because usually your pepper should be before the vegetable, but this one was already cooked and the water content has been reduced drastically. So I'm just going to stir fry everything for 2 minutes and make sure that it is all well cooked together and it doesn't taste raw at all. I'm adding some curry, I'll add some thyme as well, and I'm going to be adding some seasoning as well. Just add the quantity you want according to your taste buds. Whatever you want, whatever you feel is okay for you, just do it like that religiously, guys, and make sure you go for the taste you are aiming for. I'll just allow this stir fry again for 1 to 2 minutes just to be sure that my spices are well fused together. And at the end of the day, I'm going to be adding my chicken franks, which are totally optional. If your kids don't like this, please skip this. And I'll stir fry again for some time. I'll add some chicken, you can add some fish if you wish, anything that you absolutely want at this point, any protein of choice. And our spaghetti has cooked. In the beginning, I didn't mention it. You want to cook it all the way so that it's not so soggy. And I just try to use my spoon to toss it here and there. I was supposed to use my spaghetti tongs, but I think my kids threw it somewhere. Goodness, I'm so sorry. So I'm adding some spring onions as well. They don't like spring onions, but they didn't even notice at all. And our spaghetti is ready. Like I said, this is kid friendly. If I was making spaghetti for myself, my goodness, I would add a lot of other things that they don't even want or they don't even like. At the end of the day, they finished this in less than 20 minutes. They kept on asking for more. So this is one of the ways I make my spaghetti for kids, and I stylishly just add some vegetables to it just because it is necessary for them, because it is healthy and all that. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in other videos. Bye.